Hey everyone, it's Deb again, and I am coming on with another swap reveal from Deborah, who is in my Facebook group, the Daisy Deb Facebook group. And so let's go ahead. Oh my goodness. She sent a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. Deborah, look at you. Uh-oh. To give away. Okay, I gotta figure out. I'll figure it out. I'll ask you. So anyway, she sent me these cutting dies, and I don't know if these are to give away. I do have this cutting die, so let me know if that was to give away. Maybe that came from that. And then here's the August flower swap. Oh, let me move things away for a minute, because we have a lot going in this swap, because it's going to be sunflowers and pumpkins, I believe, too. So here's the August flowers. Let's see, how cute are these? Oh my goodness. Okay, Deborah, you and I talked and you did a great job. Look at these. Oh my goodness, I love them. And purple is my favorite color. Those are so cute. And look, you did a little cluster of the flowers. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. That's going to be awesome on a card. All of those are going to be beautiful on a card. Look at those. They're gorgeous. Deborah, you did an amazing job. Oh my goodness, I love them. Love them, love them, love them. And that is going, look at that. There's several. I'm sorry, my hands aren't working. Anyway, those are so beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay, there's a lot to unpack, so let me put these aside real quick. I hope everyone's having a great Saturday. Where do I want to start? Okay, so these are, she sent some July flowers. Let me make sure this is showing up, because she missed the July flower swap. And so she sent, Deborah, you sent some beautiful flowers. Look at you. Oh my goodness. They are so beautiful. You did a great job. Look at you. Thank you so much. These are so beautiful, and I love the little buttons you put in here and the gems. And yes, these are so beautiful. Thank you so much. I love them. Love them, love them, love them. Love my flowers. Okay, and then this is going to be part of the sunflower. Hopefully we're on film. I'm going to have to stand up to see. Get this open. Definitely part of the sunflower swap. Oh, I love it. Okay, pumpkins. Look, the pumpkin swap. How cute is this? Look at, okay. This is super cute. I'm going to take everything out real quick, because I want to look at the little folder with, she did a pocket here, she did a pocket here, she has a side pocket here. Look how stinking cute that is. I love it. Look at that. So I will try to put everything back. This is a pocket too. Look at that. She used vellum and the pumpkin in another. There's another pocket right here. Look at you go, girl. I love this. Oh, and then September, that's perfect to put in a journal. And then here's October, another one. Oh my goodness. Okay. I've got September and October little journal pieces to put in there. That is so cute. And then look, this could be on a corner piece. Look at that. I love that. That is so cute. How you layered that, and then there's a tuck. You could actually glue the bottom, make a little side pocket right there. How cute is that? And then, oh, these are actually, okay, duh. I didn't realize they're die cuts. Thank you. I do not have this die, but did you just hear that idea I just had to, what I'm going to do? And then she did a magnetic bookmark. How cute is that? Thank you so much. I love that. Love, love, love it. And then look at the tags. Grateful for you. I love this, and I'm very grateful for you, for sure. Oh my goodness. Look at that tag. How beautiful. I love this fabric that you use, like a burlap. That is so pretty. The layers and everything, and I just love this style right here. Love it. Great job, girl. And I love this. Let me see real quick. Bear with me. Okay, you could actually put something in here. It's like a sleeve. You could put something. Oh, duh. Some days I have moments where I don't figure things out, and this was one of them. Look at that. Oh, love that. Is that washi tape? I believe so. And how she stamped and used the index cards. That is so cute. I love that. Okay. I love that. Thank you so much, Deborah. Uh-oh. Let me put... Uh-oh. Try not to lose stuff, and I'm going to sit here and lose it. Let me put this up here real quick. Uh-oh. Okay. All right, put that aside. That's so cute. I love it. Okay, and then this is going to be for a giveaway. I'm going to put that to the side. We're going to have a big giveaway, especially when I do get to 700 subscribers. I think we're about to get to 700 subscribers. Okay, let me come back to this real quick. Here is the sunflower swap. It's so cute. So let me get in here, open this up. I think my camera's a little crooked. My desk is a mess, guys. I've got so much stuff on the desk. I'm trying to work on my cutesy Halloween and all my swaps for September. Okay. Let me open that up. Oh, that's cute. Okay. That's super cute. Okay, there's an envelope right there. Okay, let's look at this real quick. I want to take everything out because I want to look at how, oh my gosh, girl, you got washi tape, everything in there. Okay, so this is, oh, look at you. So that is a corner that you put in. Now that is so clever to hold everything. That is so clever. Look at you. I love that. Love that, love that, love that. Girl, you need to start a YouTube channel. Because look at you. Just what you make is just so cute. Oh, love that. I have that paper. And these bookmarks are so cute. Or tags or bookmarks or They're so cute. Okay. I love this. Very cute. I love how you did that little corner to tuck everything in. Oh, look. This I'll definitely use in a journal for sure. And then some washi tape. Solid color washi tape, which I do not have. And this comes in handy for sure. Definitely use that. And then this little layered tag. It's like, oh my gosh, that's cute. That's like you can do hidden journaling in there on the different pages or even on the backs of these. And that is so cute. I love that you used a brad for that. And then you have this little tag with the sunflower on it. How cute is that? I love that. When you can't find the sunshine, be the sun. Yes, ma'am. Oh my goodness. And put that back in there. And then that is in this little envelope, which is so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. And then I had to sit down. I'm not feeling real great, so but anyway, that's all right. Look how cute. I love this little envelope. Cute, cute, cute. And look at the layered sunflower strip with the sunflower. She used all these different papers and put them on the back of this strip and just layered it up. All these scraps. How cute is that? That would be great for a mini album or anything, you know, a card. It could be for anything. If you do scrapbooking, a scrapbooking page, that is so cute. I love, love, love that. And then I love this. This is a great saying. And I love how did you put that in a die by any chance, maybe? That's awesome. Okay. I love that, how you did that edge on here. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. And then you sent me some extras, which you didn't have to do that. I appreciate that so much. Some little dies. The heart, the layered hearts, how cute. And then this one. And then these, the stamps and the dies. I love these from Recollections. Thank you so much. I so appreciate this. Very, very great swaps, guys. And I got to finish packaging mine so I can mail it off because my packaging is awful. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, I forgot the beads. The bead swap. Oh my goodness. Here it is. This video's kind of long, but so here are the beads. Oh my goodness. And okay, we're going to open those up real quick. And she put some extra. Look at this. How cute it is. I'm going to make a pocket out of that. I'm going to glue it on the sides and make a little pocket to put stuff in. Thank you so much. All right, let's look at these charms and these beads. Oh my goodness. Okay. Wow. Look at the keys. I do not have anything like that at all. And the cameo, I don't have anything like that. How cute is that? And then that is so beautiful. And then look at this tree, this dangle. That's going to be so cute on a dangle. So pretty. Wow. Thank you so much. And then look at the little beads in this charm with the rocking horse. How cute is that? And these big wooden beads. These are going to be so beautiful to use. And then she sent me a bunch of, look at all these different beads. How beautiful. I'm going to make some charms out of this for sure. These will be so beautiful. Yes. Thank you so much, Deborah. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much. You have a great day. But anyway, I wanted to show everyone what I received in the swaps. We're having fun on our group, on the Facebook group, with the swaps. Anyway, I will talk to you later. See y'all on Wednesday. Bye.